Coach, first of all, congratulations on
Thank
your
you.
first win as a rookie team and debut game nyo pa to, no? How special this win for you, Coach?
Sobrang special kasi lahat ng pressure na sa team namin kasi bago lang po kami. Tsaka yung in-expect talaga sa office namin na manalo talaga.
Coach, how did you prepare the team for this?
Nag-training kami, bagong game, etong game na to, nag-tune up kami sa malalakas na team.
And Coach, I would like to ask, no, how did the agency decide to join UVL season 4?
Talaga yung commitment. Tinanong nila kung makapag-commit yung mga players. Sinabi naman ng mga players na 100% makapag-commit sila. Yan.
And what can you say about the competition, Coach, given your first win dito sa UVL?
Sobrang enjoy yung liga na to. Tsaka kahit first time namin, lalaban pala yun na.
Kung gano'n naman ka-competitive, nahirapan ba kayo sa game nyo kanina?
Sakto lang.
Okay, thank you very much, Coach.